Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, if 29x is a 3-digit number which is divisible by 9, find the smallest value of x. We have given that 29x is divisible by 9. So, by divisibility test of 9, the sum of the digits, that is 2 plus 9 plus x, that is 11 plus x, is also divisible by 9. So, 11 plus x, the values of this 11 plus x, possibilities of this 11 plus x will be 18, 27 and so on. As we have to find the smallest value of x, so 11 plus x should be 18. Subtract 11 from both the sides, we get x equals to 7. Hence, smallest value of x is 7.